Are you frustrated with your iPhone's vibration not working? Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show some solutions to fix the issue. So let's watch the video till the end. Check Haptics settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then tap on Haptics and make sure you have selected Always Play mode. After that, go back to the previous page and swipe to the System Sounds and Haptics section. Turn on the toggle next to System Haptics. You can set a haptic ringtone on your iPhone. To do that, swipe down and tap on Ringtone. Then, go to the Haptics section at the top. Here, multiple haptic ringtones are available. You can set it to default or play and choose one of the haptic ringtone options. If it is set to none, your phone will not vibrate on calls. So, select a haptic ringtone from the list. Follow the same way to set text and alert tones. Now, make a call from another device and check if your iPhone vibrates. If not, follow the second beneficial solution. Turn on the vibration in Accessibility. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap Accessibility. Tap on Touch under the Physical and Motor section. Here, swipe up and turn on the toggle next to Vibration. That's it. Force Restart. This process resets your iPhone's hardware and software functions and refreshes all system processes. Let's follow the steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone. Now, release the power button and wait for your iPhone to restart. Unlock your iPhone and check if the problem is solved. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings process will not remove your data on iPhone. It will only restore your system settings to their default state. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on General. After that, swipe to the Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Reset option. Multiple options open up here. Select Reset all settings. Enter your passcode to continue. Again, select the Reset all settings option to confirm. Wait for the process to complete. Hardware issues. Contact support. If your iPhone is not vibrating due to a problem with the vibration motor, take it to a nearby Apple store or book an appointment at the Apple Genius Bar for repair. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.